We're looking at a couple of train stations in Lincolnshire today.
And this is Wainfleet.
This station is situated between Skegness and Boston. Unfortunately, this building here isn't open. This is the Poacher line. And you have a lovely signal box further up ahead. Pretty good station, buddy.
Yeah.
And here they still use the semaphore signals. That is a lovely signal box. And a cool looking gate as well. And we wonder whether or not this could be an old platform just across the way. You never know.
Our next station is Havenhouse.
Cool. And what can you tell us about Havenhouse?
It used to be the leasiest station in Lincolnshire, and that changed to Captain Lindsay.
Oh, so Curtin Lindsay's now the least used. Why is Curtin Lindsay the least used?
It only has one platform.
And how many services?
I can't remember.
I think it's like 2 every Saturday. It looks like you have to go across these lines and then cross back on yourself if you want to get onto that platform. Bit of a strange one. It's a very nice and small looking station though, isn't it?
And peaceful.
Oh, very peaceful. Yeah, there's hardly anything here. And what about the road? What was that?
This road is a dead end.
Yeah, this road is literally a dead end. That's crazy. Right.
So there's no services from Skegness. There's only 2 from
Nottingham.
from Nottingham, and that's about it.
And how many go into Nottingham on a Monday to Friday?
There's there
And up?
and there's one there.
Yeah. And then the
There's
other way?
One there.
Yeah. And then in the evening?
And there's one there.
Yeah.
Here there's one there.
So 2 a day each way?
one there and none there.
So none on Sundays.
Wow.
What have you found, buddy?
A local area, and you see it, it's nothing. No buildings, no nothing.
Onward travel, nothing.
And the bus stop is all the way up there.
Oh God, yeah. There's not even a footpath. Huh, that's crazy. There is a waiting room.
As you can see, it's very small.
That is tiny. Two platforms. This way for Nottingham. And the final stop is Skegness. Some lovely old buildings here. Very cool. And there is a waiting room over there. We'll have to check and see if that's actually open.
This is how you get to the other platform.
Yep. Thank you. They are quite short platforms. I don't think you'd fit a 3-coach on here.
No.
All right, let's see if this is open. I'm thinking maybe not. Oh, wow.
I did not expect this.
No, I didn't expect it either. There must have been a fireplace in the corner here.
Yeah.
Wow.